Hey there, salty dogs. Welcome to another episode. I was fishing a wind protected shoreline with my neighbor. We were chasing redfish along the grass line. Well, actually, we were heading to another spot, but we spotted some birds working the shoreline. Normally, I don't like working birds because they're either going to be small trout or they're going to be gaff-top, but this time of year, the gaff-top are out of the bay. Saw a couple pods of redfish going up and down the shoreline. Just couldn't keep up with them. But landed plenty of trout, caught some flounder as well. Caught most of the redfish on a horseman popping cork rigged with a marker 54 glide shrimp. The rest of them caught with white ice DSL and the burner shad 3.5 inch side. But great day of fishing overall. Hope you enjoy the episode. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go fishing. Not the one I wanted. All right, I know where they're at though. Grow up and come back. That might be a decent fish. No. No. They always hit hard. Oh, come on. It's got a little more fight on it. Speckled trout. Another one. There you go, girl. A little bit. There you go, Log. Come on, give us a splash.
Get at the top and that'll tell us.
Yeah. Let her rip, let her rip. Oh yeah, beautiful red. Log, you got revenge on the one that got away. Come on, well, I'm speaking too soon now. Oh, he's gonna freak out now. Come around, come around. Draw down under the boat. Oosh.
Got her. Right.
Look at that beautiful tail. Green. Oh, you barely had it.
Barely lived. Alright.
Let's see how much she measured in it.
He might fit in the groove.
I think this is slot. It is. See, that's the redfish I needed for the tournament, man.
Oh, really?
Shit. Right under 28.
Right on what?
Right under 28.
Oh, he wasn't quite on zero, so he's gonna be clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to get a picture?
Yeah.
Oh. That's beautiful.
Want to keep him?
Yeah. Oh, here comes the wind.
Another good trout. Ah, that one's gotta keep. Let's see. Let me get the good ruler. Yep, same size. Sure is. Oh my God! Here, let me get. Look you. Yeah, that's a.
Get on the scale, buddy.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Just short. Just short.
Let her go, man.
Yeah. We'll catch. Oh.
Teaser.
No, that's a teaser too, yeah. Ah, look at that, just under 15. One more month.
I got a palm tree down here.
Oh yeah.
That down here.
You could try that.
Or your private spot over here.
No, all those kayakers have been there all day.
Oh yeah.
I need a power pole in there.
Yeah.
Now I got a spot that I took Ricky to. It's on the way to the course.